If AnyDesk is showing error 32, don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that can usually get things working again fast. This issue is often caused by a clock mismatch, a firewall restriction, or corrupted cache files, so we're going to check each one step by step. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to synchronize your system clock. A time difference between your computer and the remote computer can stop AnyDesk from connecting properly. To fix that, right-click the time on your taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. In the Date and Time settings, turn on Set Time automatically. Then click Sync Now so Windows can match your system clock with the Internet time servers. Once that's done, give AnyDesk another try and see if the error is gone. If it still appears, the next step is to check Windows Defender Firewall. Sometimes the firewall or antivirus software blocks AnyDesk from communicating correctly, even if everything else looks fine. To do this, press the Start key on your keyboard, type Windows Defender Firewall and open it. On the left side, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then select Change Settings. Look for AnyDesk in the list and make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. If AnyDesk is not enabled for both network types, it may not be able to connect reliably. Click OK to save your changes, then restart your device so the new firewall settings fully apply. After the restart, open AnyDesk again and test the connection. If you're still seeing error 32, the third fix is to clear the AppData cache. Over time, corrupted cache files or old configuration data can interfere with AnyDesk and cause connection failures. First, make sure AnyDesk is completely closed and not running in the background. You can check your system tray or task manager if needed. Then press Windows +R to open the Run dialog. Type %appdata% and press Enter. This will open the AppData roaming folder. Inside, locate the AnyDesk folder and delete it. Don't worry, this usually just removes temporary configuration data and forces AnyDesk to rebuild fresh files the next time it launches. Once the folder is deleted, relaunch AnyDesk and try connecting again. In many cases, one of these 3 steps will resolve error 32 right away. Start with the clock, then the firewall, and finally the AppData cache, because those are the most common causes. If the issue is fixed, you're all set. If not, you may want to reinstall AnyDesk or check for network restrictions from your router or security software. I hope this tutorial helped you fix AnyDesk error 32 quickly and easily. If it did, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.